We believe construction planning and scheduling specifications need updating. In order to create the best specification, we believe it is important to focus on the user and lean into the power of collaboration. This example was created by Beyond Deadlines. Be sure to check out their innovative podcast and newsletter. Let's start by covering what's wrong with specifications. First off, they are quite boring. Often hundreds of pages long, filled with technical jargon and legal language. The tone of these documents are confrontational, written as a "I got you," instead of helping to build the best plan. Lastly, they lack empathy and don't consider the user. Or more directly, they consider the user a robot who will follow all 236 pages of requests. It's time to change. Hi, my name is Chad. In this section, I'm going to show you how to create milestones for your projects. Project milestones are a critical foundation for our schedules. We'll cover everything you need to know about project milestones. Specifically, what you need to do, why these guidelines exist and how they help, several helpful tips, and lastly, how you can get started. Let's cover exactly what you need to do to be successful. The construction project schedule must include our standardized milestones. We'll provide you with the exact list. You'll add the activities to the schedule, making sure the activity ID and description match exactly as provided. It's as easy as that. Listed below are the standard milestones that are required for the schedule. No need to memorize these. We are going to provide you with everything you need to get started. Notice how these milestones cover key points across the project timeline. This will help with reporting and tracking of the project. If you'd like to add additional milestones, feel free to. If you see a need to change any of these milestones, contact your site scheduler who will help facilitate that change. Let's transition and discuss why following these steps are important. One piece of our standardization puzzle is standard milestones. Due to our large construction program, we import a large number of schedules. As our past data shows, standardization not only saves both of us money but also improves schedule quality. By standardizing, we can both focus on what's most important. Building the project. I'm sure by this point you are excited to get started. Let's cover the 5 basic steps. First, you'll need to download the template files provided. We've built these templates to be a great place to start. They contain each milestone, have the exact activity IDs and codes. After downloading the file, you can either start building directly in the file or copy and paste the activities. Remember to review Section 3.1 Building the Project Schedule and Section 4.1 Baseline Review for more guidance. When you're done building the schedule, double-check to ensure you have all the milestones still in the file and that activity IDs, descriptions and coding haven't changed. Lastly, we've built an automated schedule reviewer to help speed things up. Upload your file and see if you've passed the initial checks. We want you to be successful in building a schedule on our program. Let's cover some helpful tips. The milestones are your starting place. We are counting on your expertise and familiarity with this project, as well as your past experiences, to build the logic that ties these critical milestones together. When in doubt, use the scope provided in programming and the design to help guide you. As you set off to build the schedule, we'll want to see how you directly link the scope to the schedule. We love collaboration. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Our motto is to share early and often. This allows us to work in parallel, finishing planning cycles faster while increasing team alignment. This concludes the project milestones section. Please continue to the next section, 3.1 Building the Project Schedule. And remember, don't forget to check out the Beyond Deadlines podcast and newsletter.